It's time for the final section of the car deal package, the review session. And it's not so much of a review by going over things we've looked at. It's more of a put it all together and see what you would choose. So what they have is 4 different deals presented for a $20,000 car that you're going to finance the whole thing, no down payment. And they front load it that you have a net monthly pay of $3,000. So you want to take a look at this and figure out which would be the best deal for you. Notice different percentages, different lengths of contract. So the first thing we have to do is figure out the estimated monthly payment. Well, that has been given to us so far, but now, due to the wonders of the internet, there's online calculators where you can figure this out. So if you click on this link right here, it will take you to the website bankrate.com and give you an online calculator. As soon as it loads, there it is. So you put in the details. So we're going to borrow $20,000. And let's see, the first one is for 48 months and 5%. So 48 months, you can click that in, and it is 5%. All right. And there it tells you what you need to know, $461, and also tells you the total interest paid, which is nice. That's a finance charge. So you can put that all in your calculator. In your worksheet. I also have made a spreadsheet if you'd prefer to do it that way and turn that in rather than do it through the website and go and copy things back and forth. You can go to this spreadsheet. As soon as it loads, there it is. That you can do. It's just a copy of that table. And you can put in the information. $461 is what it is for the first one, so 461. Now you can figure it out and see if you match up to what they say. So it'd be equals B4 times that. Oops, you know what I do? I forgot to convert this to a number with the format. So I'm just going to have to cheat that. And I'm going to, instead of B4, I'll just put in 48. When I post it for you, I'll change it so you can actually just click on it and not have to type in the 48. And there's our total price for the car. And then the total paid in interest, it'd be equals that amount minus 20,000, which is 2,128. Let's see. Oh, they're a little bit different. Interesting. Now, the reason for that is because they're probably it's a rounding error. They're rounding off the pennies, and that is not what they do when they normally figure it out. So they may not show it to you, but the pennies are included, and then you multiply, if it's 47 cents, 461 and 47, that would round down to 461. But if you multiply 47 cents by 48 months, that's about $24 more. So that's probably why the difference in this. So I wouldn't get too caught up with that. That difference. It's just an estimation, gives you an idea on what's going on. So you can either use a spreadsheet and calculate them that way, or you can go in here and retype them into here. Your choice. I will attach a spreadsheet to your assignment when the time comes. All right. So then you're going to look at all 4 situations, figure those out, and then your final discussion question is, which deal would you choose and why? So you got to make sure you do that. I'm still not getting very many people doing the discussion questions. And that's where you actually think about things, formulate an answer, and come up with. It's not just plug and chug. It's actually looking at data and making a decision. You got to evaluate something. So that's very important. So you do that, and then the next thing would be to take the post-test, which is a quiz for this unit. So make sure you know everything for the quiz. Another thing for review, if you'd like, is there is a glossary up here. They hide it, but if you want to review your financial terms, you can click on that. Unsecured loan, not backed with collateral. L's a lien, the right to take or sell property as security for a debt. So they have all these different financial terms that you can look up and review if you need to. So that's the final thing. Good luck with that. Don't forget the discussion board, and then good luck on the test.